Hey, what's up, everybody? Lone Camper here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off the AC unit for the top of your uh, camper. So for the first part, you're going to want to take the vents and covers, plastic vents and covers off in order to get to the actual metal portion of this, and then from there, it's pretty simple. As you can see, I'm just unscrewing four very long bolts. This is what is attaching the AC unit. Here you can see the bolt I took out is pretty long. That's what attaches the AC unit to the camper so it doesn't move. Like I said, there's four of them. It's not hard. Um, Once you get that done, I'll show you here once I get them all off. There is a electrical fucking box up in there with a lot of wires. You just gotta, or I had to pull out two. One was like a big yellow clip, and then the other was like a small white wire. Yeah, just take those two out, and then everything else kind of just came off, or at least for me. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah, here I'm about to show you guys the and that little divider right there that I touched briefly, that'll come out once the AC unit's out. But yeah, here I'm about to show you. So there's a couple screws up in there. I had to take them out in order to get the AC unit out. You can see it right about here. Yeah, a screw there. And then another one right there. Then yeah, that green mesh was I had to take that out. It was pretty easy, just unclipped. Yep, that was it. As you can see, I already took off the AC unit, but yeah, just those four bolts, those two screws, and then this clip right here, or wires, I guess, that clips in this black box right here. That's really it. So, oh yeah, and when you're taking this off, be very mindful of this wire right here. I just saw this. Obviously, you know, you don't want to don't want to break that. That's pretty valuable, this wire right here. So, but yeah. Well, time to start taking everything off, I guess.